Hey guys, this is how to fix Octopus Energy app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom and go for the top and just simply search for the application. And now from here, just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update, and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, for the second solution, just simply go for the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for apps. And after that, just simply go for the Octopus application over here. And now just simply go ahead and tap on it and then go for the storage and go for the clear cache at the bottom. And now if you still have issues, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix it. Now, for the third solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. After that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply install it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. See ya.